What are we doing? Just looking at the camera and putting them up?
Yeah.
Okay. They look funny.
Yeah, they are funny. They're really pointy.
Like a bird. Do I look like a bird?
A little bit.
Sideways?
Yeah. It's high fashion. We're pulling out the rock today, so that's why we've got masks. You know, safety first. This is what we're tackling. All that needs to come out. And that side's not so bad. Mostly this. We'll figure it out.
Tom is so sweaty.
I always get really sweaty just on my forehead, like
Yeah.
nowhere else.
It's very noticeable when you're sweaty.
I know. It doesn't take much for me to get there. It's gonna be fun traveling Australia.
Oh yeah. That tropical heat will do you wonders.
Oh, look forward to all of our videos being my sweaty forehead.
If you like sweaty forehead, this is
Subscribe.
the place to be. Better. Thanks for cleaning, Tom.
You love our big pile out the front?
This is what was inside Frankie. Gotta get rid of it. It's good to finally be back out in Frankie with Tom. Last week we were doing night shift and so I didn't have as much time to come out and help him with Frankie. So it's really nice this week. We're on Arvo shift, so we're trying to get out here an hour or two before we go to work, and it seems to be working out so far. So we have the opportunity to get more done this week, which is so exciting because progress has been feeling very slow lately.
Me again. So these screws here are meant to hold on the aluminium siding from outside. So I'm just going to back these out, and then when we get the new frame in, I'll screw them back into that. We'll also later on take off all of the geomolding around the corners of the Caravan and completely reseal that because all of the silicone in that is kaput. Slowly chipping away at all of this work here. The demolition process has been taking a lot longer than we expected, and we are getting onto some exciting stuff soon. So scraping the floor up, as you can see here. We're going to continue priming and sealing up the frame just to be extra sure that we're going to be protected from future water damage. Our replacement canvas has come in the mail too. Super happy with this. They customized it to suit our Caravan. We'll also be starting to frame out our cabinetry and getting a gist for the layout. That means we're also getting up to the point where we can run wires for our lights, sockets and solar that's going on the roof. Again, thanks so much for watching, guys. We really appreciate all of you who are coming along this little journey with us, and we'll see you next Sunday. Ciao for now.